Hey, what up, good people? I am MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on how I do my makeup using no liquid foundation. I'm going to start off by using my MAC Prep and Prime Skin Refined Zone Reductor. This helps keep my oily skin under control, especially when I'm not using foundation. I always use this. I am starting off with clean and moisturized skin because moisturized skin is super important, even if you have oily skin like me. The only liquid product I'm going to be using is this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. I like to use this concealer because it's a little lighter than my skin complexion or my skin tone, but you can use whatever concealer you choose. I place a little under my eyes and on my eyelids, under my brows. I place a little strip across my nose because I have like a little dark line, so I can conceal that, as well as above my lip. Then I'm just going to take my little blending brush and blend everything in where I've applied the concealer. So after I get everything all nicely blended, I'm going to add some of my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in the color medium deep. I personally like to use a setting powder that's closer to my skin complexion when I'm doing a no liquid foundation look. Now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Instant Warmth Bronzer in the color Mocha Mommy. I like to use this as my eyeshadow color just to give my eyes a little warmth. So I basically apply this all over my lid. Lately, I've just been more into a neutral look instead of adding a whole lot of colors on my lids. I'm just here for the nude neutral type of look. It works for me. It also saves a ton of time with like not having to be blending all these different colors and cut creasing and all of that. It just saves time. Now I'm just going to take that first blending brush that I used to blend the concealer and just kind of blend around the edges so that I don't have any sharp lines anywhere. Next, I'm going to add my liner, and I'm using this Wet n Wild H2O Proof in the color, or it's in liquid eyeliner in the color black, of course. Now I always add a wing to my liner because my eyes kind of droop down. You have to know your eye shape, and my eye shape, they droop downwards. So the wing line kind of lift them back up. So yeah, that's kind of why I always do a wing. And of course, I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other eye. Next, I'm just going to add some mascara to my lashes, and I'm using Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. I'm then going to apply my lashes that I got from Amazon. All of the products that you see me use in this video will be listed down in the description box below, so feel free to check it out if anything is something you're interested in. Now that I've got both lashes applied, I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose and my face using this MAC Radiant Richer Rosy Skin Finish. Now, of course, a lot of these steps you can absolutely skip. If you're not into lashes, you can definitely skip that. If you don't care about your nose and face being contoured, you can definitely skip that. I personally love my lashes and I love to contour my nose and my face no matter what. So yeah, that's just something I have to do. Now I'm going to add a little blush using MAC's Lovejoy Mineralized Blush. Then I'm going to do a little additional setting and highlighting under the eye using Juvia's Place I Am Magic Setting Powder in the color Kalahari. This is another step you can definitely skip. However, I do like to add that little pinch of highlight right under the eye and additional setting right under the eye using a lighter setting powder color. Then I'm going to blend everything together for that nice finish using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark Tan. Now, since I have micro shaded eyebrows, the only thing I typically do is just kind of shape them up a little better and fill them in a little more. That's really all I do with my eyebrows, and that's why I make that like one of the last steps. I don't do it at the beginning like most people because it's not a whole lot to do. Then I'm just going to get everything set in place using e.l.f.'s Stay All Day Blue Light Micro Setting Mist. And as you can see, I pretty much like to drown in setting spray. Like, that's just what I like. You don't have to use this much. I'm allowing it to dry using my little fan that I got from Amazon. I will link it down in the description box below as well. Super handy tool for when I need to dry my face really quickly. And I take it on vacation when I need to dry some adhesive spray for my lace wigs. Now I'm just gonna add some highlight using MAC's Gold Deposit. This has been my holy grail for years, honey. Like, I have tried other highlights and they just don't work the same. This one just works wonders for me. So for the finale, which is my lips, I'm going in with this MAC Chestnut Lip Pencil. This is another holy grail that I have been using for years. I mean, it just works with so many lip combos. Then I'm going to go in with my ColourPop Lippy Sticks in the color Skimpy Glossy. I'm going to top that off with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the color Glass Slipper. And this is pretty much the final look that I have been going to for the last 6 months using no liquid foundation. I absolutely love this natural beat. It just works for me, y'all. I be feeling real light with no liquid foundation on my face. Well, I truly appreciate you all for rocking with me today. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye, y'all.